Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you how to edit in CapCut picture with music. So the first, open the CapCut app, then click new project. After that, choose the picture. I want to choose this yellow dino picture and click add. Extend the duration until 10 seconds. Actually, it's up to you. So on this video, I will extend it to 10 seconds. Click back and add the effects. Click video effects. Then I will choose party effects. I will choose club mode. Okay, save. Extend the effect until the end of the video. Okay, here. Then click back. Click to audio. Then click sounds. I will choose dance because I want to make this yellow dino like dancing. Choose sound or music. Then click plus. I will choose this one. Funny. Click plus. The last, you can cut the sound at the end of the video. Here, click on the sound, then click split. After that, swipe right, click delete. We can preview the video. So this is how to edit in CapCut picture with music. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.